How to make money from your smartphone. We can all use a little extra cash, and since many of us spend so much time scrolling anyway, you might as well leverage those fingertips and turn them into ways to make money from your phone. There are tons of apps, tools, and resources to help, but it can be hard to figure out which ones are a good. If you're in this boat and struggling to break even, worry not. We're going to look at 11 of the best ways to get paid to use your phone, as well as some steps you can take to make it happen. Let's get into it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. 1. Sell your old stuff. Do you have some old clothing, furniture, or books you could do without? Or anything, for that matter. There are plenty of mobile apps you can use to sell them and pocket some extra cash. Let's look at a few. Use this app to sell tech and media like cell phones, games, DVDs, CDs, and books. It offers free shipping on all orders and speedy next-day payments for the items you sell. A cool feature is the ability to scan an item's barcode and get an instant estimate of its value. Check down in the description and you will see the list of apps you can sell your old stuff. 2. Sell your data. For some people, the thought of installing an app on your phone and selling your data is a bit of an invasion of personal privacy. But if you don't think so, this is one of the ideal ways to make money from your phone without having to do any extra work. For example, Nielsen is one of the biggest market research firms in the world. That's why they'd love to see what you do on your phone, and they're willing to pay you for it. With Nielsen's computer and mobile panel, all you need to do is download a secure mobile app. That's it. The app will track and record how you use your phone, giving the company the valuable market research data they need. When you sign up, you'll earn up to $50 in points for gift cards. 3. Fill out surveys. You've probably heard about surveys before. While they may not be the absolute best use of your time, they might be a good idea if you're stuck in the house, on your daily commute, or waiting in line at the DMV. Let's look at a popular survey apps. Survey Junkie. In addition to answering survey questions, you can earn rewards by sharing your web browsing data. Whenever you fill out a survey or provide data, you'll earn points that you can redeem for gift cards or cash. 4. Sell your photos. Love snapping photos with your selfie stick? Maybe you fancy yourself a bit of an amateur photographer with your new iPhone. Taking a few attractive pictures could be all it takes to earn some extra money through apps like FOAP. FOAP is completely free to use, and you can sell and resell the same photo as often as you like. Photos sell for $10, and you keep half the sale, $5. You can create your own portfolio of potential stock photos for companies or submit your snaps to missions. A mission is a task set by a bigger company in search of specific images. If you win the attention of the mission poster with your content, you can earn a decent amount of cash. Check on this channel more related videos on how to make money online, side hustle job ideas and more.